school tomorrow?
Papa Grace.
Harper Grace. What school do you go to?
Puppy.
Rock Springs? Harper, look at me. Harper, who are your teachers?
Tita Tina.
Krista and Caroline? What do you like to do at school? Do what? Oh, really? Do you like to do puzzles? Do you like to play on the playground?
Yeah.
What else do you like to do?
Play.
Play?
Eat my Oreos.
And you eat your Oreos?
And my apple juice.
And your apple juice? What do you get if you're good at school? Miss Krista, Miss Caroline. Oh, goodness, she's stuck. Do you get a sucker? Sucker when you wait for mommy?
Yeah.
I love you.